What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Be Modified. Alright guys, as the title says, right here's what we got. Some courtesy door lights. And I'll just pop these things open right quick and show you guys just how easy they are to install. So, as you can see, these particular ones are just a plastic thing. Have this 3M tape that they stick onto the door panel, and then this little guy right here is a magnet, and it also comes with 3M tape to stick this to your door seal plate. That way when it goes across this here, it will turn the light on and off, so that you don't have to keep pushing the on and off button every time you open the doors, just for the light to display. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the car and get my soapy water and my rags and go ahead and get the spots clean where we're going to be mounting these on the door. Alright, so we're going to clean the door with some soapy water. Just going to go ahead and clean it everywhere because we're not sure where we're going to mount this at just yet. Scrub it down really good. I also want to clean over here where the door is going to close. So we'll go ahead and clean this spot off. Alright, now that we've got it all cleaned with some soapy water, we want to go ahead and clean it with regular water just to get all that soap residue off of there. And I did use Dawn dish soaps, so it is kind of a degreaser. Should work out pretty good. So we'll go ahead and scrub the areas down with just some straight water. Now we're ready to figure out where we want to mount this at. So what I'm thinking is, first I'm going to go get some batteries and put them in it. That way I know that I'm not putting them on the wrong side. I don't think that it matters, but I want to check before I go ahead and stick them on there. And besides that, I'm sure you guys would love to see what design I got. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off my light over here. So as you can see, we have a Mustang. I think I'm going to have to mount it down here on the flat part because I don't think my magnet will mount very well on the rounded edge on the door seal side. So we'll go ahead and get our 3M here. Peel this side. Stick it to our projector. Now we'll peel this red. If I can get it, it's always a pain in the butt. Alright, there we go. Finally. Man, I really don't like that stuff. Right about there. Yep. I think it's pretty stuck. Feels pretty solid. So now I can take one of these little guys and our magnet here. And now we need to figure out where it comes to over there. And I don't know. I'm gonna have to go on the inside of the car and figure this out. Alright. So it looks like we're gonna be just inside of this edge right here. This seam edge right here. So there we go. Now we can go ahead and just stick this like that. Probably just anywhere in here. Now we're ready to test it out. So go ahead and turn it on. Let's see. Uh-oh, what happened there? Alright, so turn it on. We'll go ahead and close the door. See, it's still working. Oh, and it shut off. Hope you guys can see that. When we open the door back up, it automatically turns on. And that's really cool. So, basically, just do the same thing to the driver's side, and you got yourself some door projectors for a low cost, and they work really well. It will definitely make your car stand out at nighttime. Alright everybody, so here's the driver's side one all done. And I know a lot of you were probably wondering when we were doing the passenger side why one of the images was more clear than the other one. And I used the more clear one on the passenger side, but I found out doing this one what the deal is these things are removable. So what you can do is you can pop it out, and it was in the opposite way, which makes the horse run the same direction as it would if you were sitting on the passenger side of the vehicle. But as you can see, it also makes the image real blurry. So to keep it a nice clear image, I'm going to keep it running this way because it just looks a lot better. So that's the door projectors. I like them a lot. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. So that's pretty much going to wrap it up for today's video, everybody. I know it wasn't very long, just really straight to the point. I think that's what everybody was really wanting anyway. And let me know what you think of these door projectors. Like I said, very fast, unique way to spice your ride up at nighttime mostly. I like them a lot. As always, thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you share this video even if you don't subscribe, and have a great day.